Welcome to our guide on decorating a harmonious retreat, featuring a traditional pergola in a tropical oasis. In this video, we'll explore how to transform your outdoor space into a serene and inviting retreat using a variety of design elements. Let's start with the foundation of our pergola, the wooden beams, posts, and cross beams. These elements provide the structure and support for our outdoor sanctuary. Choose high-quality, durable wood that complements the natural surroundings. Next, add lattice panels to create a sense of privacy and intimacy within the pergola. These panels not only offer shade and protection from the sun but also serve as a backdrop for climbing plants or vines. Secure the structure using corner brackets and bolts, ensuring stability and durability for years to come. Proper installation is essential to withstand the elements of a tropical environment. Before proceeding, ensure the pergola is securely anchored to the ground with footings or concrete bases. This step is crucial for stability, especially in areas prone to strong winds or heavy rainfall. Add decorative end caps to the tops of the wooden posts for a polished and refined look. These small details can make a significant difference in the overall aesthetic of your retreat. Install roof slats to provide partial shade and shelter from the elements. Consider incorporating a shade cloth or fabric for additional protection, especially during the hot summer months. For added structural support, install roof trusses across the top of the pergola. These elements not only enhance the design but also ensure the longevity of your outdoor space. If applicable, install a gutter system to redirect rainwater away from the pergola. Proper drainage is essential for maintaining the integrity of the structure and preventing water damage. Illuminate your retreat with carefully placed lighting fixtures for a warm and inviting ambience, especially during the evening hours. Consider incorporating energy-efficient LED lights for a sustainable touch. Enhance the natural beauty of your pergola by introducing climbing plants or vines. These greenery additions not only soften the structure but also create a lush and inviting atmosphere. Hang decorative baskets filled with vibrant flowers or foliage to add color and texture to your retreat. These hanging accents can instantly elevate the visual appeal of your outdoor space. Incorporate hammocks or swings for the ultimate relaxation experience. These cozy additions invite you to unwind and enjoy the tranquility of your tropical oasis. Finally, complete your harmonious retreat with outdoor furniture such as benches, chairs, and tables. Choose comfortable and weather-resistant pieces that complement the overall design aesthetic. With careful planning and attention to detail, you can create a harmonious retreat that embodies the beauty and tranquility of a traditional pergola in a tropical oasis. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. To learn more, visit rofhome.com.